You just got your Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to change the clock face style that appears on the face of your watch. And whether you have it connected to your phone at the moment or without the phone, if you're not connected to the app, you can still change the face of it. So when in this view mode here, where the clock is like this here, long press it and you'll notice this is going to happen. One, you can choose to edit it by tapping on the edit option or browse over to your right where there is a plus with new, and you can add from those that you haven't selected before, or go to the left and choose one that you had set up before. So if you want something new, go here, tap on this here, you'll see the new watch faces. Be sure to have the latest update as you'll get all the updated ones there available. So you have this one here, you got this here, these all here. So lots to go through and navigate. I personally like simple clock styles here. I don't like something too fancy, but if you want, let's go ahead and try this one here. This is one of my favorites right here. I'll go ahead and press add now. And what's going to happen once you're here, you want to pay attention to the top section here. If you use the crown to rotate here, you can adjust what's rounded from normal, and each clock face style will have something different. Okay, so you'll see how it says regular here, and if you go down, it says rounded. All right, and that's for the numbers itself. Now, when you swipe over here, you can change the color of it by rotating this here, the dial color. Okay, and you'll notice there's more based on the scrolling option here, okay? Swiping over now will change the overall color here. So if you wanted these here, you can change all of this here. And maybe if I go back here with the full color like this here and I come back here, you're gonna get this right here, okay? Now, other than that here, you have these here, the complications here. You'll tap there. That's gonna allow you to choose one of these here and just add whatever you want. That's the battery percentage here. And then of course with the date here or something else other than the date, maybe perhaps the time or anything, just anything that you want, okay? Now, once you're done, just be sure to exit all that out here. Pressing the crown a second time will allow you to finish the edit. So let's say I go with this color here. All right, that's selecting it and then pressing it again. And now voila, this is our new clock face without the use of the app itself. But having it connected to the app is going to be much more flexible where you can customize it far more easier. But that's that. Like and sub.